Colocasia pink venom, unveiling the allure of this new hybrid. Hi there, Ferg Vu here. As a plant enthusiast and breeder, I'm excited to delve into the captivating world of the Colocasia pink venom. This relatively new hybrid has taken the houseplant community by storm, and for good reason. Here, I'll answer some frequently asked questions to help you decide if this stunning plant deserves a spot in your collection. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is Colocasia pink venom? The Colocasia pink venom is a mesmerizing hybrid belonging to the Araceae family, also known as the aroid family. It's believed to be a Vietnamese creation, Master Boncolos, developed in June 2022. This captivating plant boasts a unique combination of dark, almost black, foliage with vibrant pink veins radiating from the center. The bold color contrast and dramatic leaf shape create a truly mesmerizing spectacle. How does it differ from Colocasia pink lava? Another Vietnamese innovation, the Colocasia pink lava, shares some similarities with the pink venom. Both hybrids feature a dark, textured leaf base with contrasting veins. However, the pink lava leans towards a deep red or burgundy for its veins, while the pink venom explodes with a vibrant, almost neon pink. Additionally, the pink lava's leaves tend to be more wrinkled and textured compared to the pink venom's smoother, more defined veins. Is Colocasia pink venom easy to care for? While not the most demanding plant, the Colocasia pink venom requires moderate attention. Here's a quick breakdown. Light, prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Water, consistent yet moderate watering is key. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Avoid soggy conditions that can lead to root rot. Humidity, thrives in high humidity environments. Consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil, well-draining, aerated potting mix is essential. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Temperature, enjoys warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Fertilization, during the active growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Can I grow Colocasia pink venom outdoors? The pink venom can thrive outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11, where temperatures remain consistently warm. However, if you reside in colder regions, it's best to enjoy it as a captivating houseplant. Winter care, if grown outdoors, ensure the plant receives adequate winter protection when temperatures drop. Consider bringing it indoors or placing it in a sheltered location. Where can I find Colocasia pink venom? Due to its relative newness, finding Colocasia pink venom at local nurseries might be challenging. However, you can explore online plant retailers specializing in rare aroids. Be prepared for a slightly higher price tag due to its unique characteristics and limited availability. Propagation, propagating the pink venom can be achieved through rhizome division. However, it's a more advanced technique best suited for experienced plant enthusiasts. Final thoughts, is Colocasia pink venom right for you? The Colocasia pink venom is a breathtaking addition to any plant collection. Its captivating color combination, dramatic form, and moderate care requirements make it a desirable choice for many. However, if you're a beginner or prefer low-maintenance plants, easier to care for Colocasias might be a better starting point. But if you're ready to embrace a challenge and enjoy the stunning beauty of this unique hybrid, the pink venom is sure to become a cherished conversation piece in your home.